Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin here just after the daily candle close. Not too much has happened. Bitcoin just moving sideways. Actually, it's holding a little bit better than Ethereum at the moment. There is not too much to update. I still wanted to give you a quick update. We continue to be in this moderate uptrend. It is quite a weak uptrend here, as explained in the previous video. And like Ethereum, I just made the Ethereum video, we also have here let me go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, if I go to the 1 hour, we see a slight bearish divergence here on the 1 hour RSI. Let's see if we actually see that on the 4 hour as well. Yeah, we see that here as well. So a slight bearish divergence, which indicates we need to be watching that at any moment this could top, because these are indications that a trend gets exhausted. We are also in this kind of channel. I think it's not a very well-defined channel. There's various ways of how this trend line can be drawn, but in most cases you get here a bit of an, yeah, basically you're cutting through this, but we have, yeah, I mean, it's not ideal because normally you shouldn't really cut through candles, but you do that here. So yeah, but just be aware of the channel. It could be an indication of where we find support. We are still, in my opinion, in this fourth wave. That is just indicated by the price action that we see here. We haven't made a lower low below this one, which was at around 1680. So that's for now good for further trend continuation here in a fifth wave. I can only repeat that the key levels remain. Key support levels here, 16,850. The 50% retracement, which wouldn't be a surprise if we get there in this wave 4, so that wouldn't be a problem, but going below that would open the door to a drop to 16,745. Only below that, I believe the upside potential is basically gone, and at 16,600 then, yeah, that, you know, I will turn towards a direct breakdown to 15k and then 14 or 14.5k. Then I think this is over and we don't really have another chance to rally. This would be confirmed below 16,450, below this wave 2 low. But yeah, this is currently how I still see the count: a 1 2, here a 3 4, and now a fifth wave. I mean, if I count this, just thinking, nah, this is still the count that this is probably the most likely count. I would have problems to count it in a different way. I mean, again, this could become a 1-2 setup if we drop below the 50% retracement, but also that would enable further upside, even though it wouldn't be ideal. But yeah, quite choppy upside movement here and quite a moderate trend. So at the moment, it doesn't have too much momentum. The problem is obviously it's weekend. On the weekend, you often see a wave 4 play out, funny enough, and the wave 4 is just doing what a wave 4 does. It's boring, it's sideways. Unfortunately, if you zoom out a bit, we are still in this broader range, so there is still no change here. And maybe to finish off this video, this is still the larger count, no change here as well. I think we are in this fifth wave. I think we are in a fifth wave of a diagonal. This is an ABC pattern in a fifth wave, and the C wave has 5 waves, 1 2 3 4, and the fifth wave still to come. Again, this fourth wave could be finished. Maybe we get a bit higher, that fourth wave. That is when we now rally even higher into the region 18 to 19k, but at the latest then, when we touch this trend line of this wedge, then we should come down and finally put that lower low in. That's still the expectation. And again, not much more to update. Just really wanted to update you here after the after the daily candle close. Tomorrow is member live. Oh, today. Sorry, Sunday. Sunday is member live stream. We're going to talk about AI coins. Anybody who's not member and you're interested in that, maybe consider joining. It's at 5 o'clock UTC. Other than that, hope you enjoy your weekend. Hope you like the update. If you did, please hit a like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the description. And if you like, check out the trading course that we offer on morecryptoonline.com. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.